him what he would want for Valentine's Day, and he said to make another Valentine video. Well, I'm gonna do that, and at the same time I'm gonna get him something. So we're heading out. Let's go. Look at that. 35,000. Let's go for whiskey. At the same time, we're gonna get him chocolate. Maybe let's get him some cheese as well. It's so pretty.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. They offered to wrap it up, have ribbon, and all of that is for free. He really put effort on it. My God, I'm so happy. So I actually got a Scotch whiskey, chocolate, orange, and a variety of cheese. So I hope he likes it.
Where's that? Where's that? Whiskey. I thank you. Let's enjoy together.
In Japan, Valentine's Day is different. It's the other way around, right? It's the women who's giving gifts to men.
Yeah.
Do you think it's better for men to receive first?
Yeah, because I don't want to take action. Hello. Valentine's Day.